Marutto, a Daikin cutting-edge HVAC management solution. Marutto is an all-in-one cloud-based management service that brings you closer to your business whenever and wherever you need to solve HVAC lifecycle problems. HVAC connected to the Internet can utilize Marutto at any time to access the latest functions and services. Not only facility managers, but users too can operate equipment from their own computers and smartphones. Also, remote management of entire buildings and other locations is possible from anywhere using Marutto. Flexible solutions and support are custom-built to industry type and the lifecycle problems of customers. The interface provides instant recognition of building status, along with user-friendly map and layout view screens that anyone can operate. Marutto can be customized according to application, such as offices and hospitals, to achieve the optimal system. Marutto records, stores, visualizes and analyzes the operation data of your air conditioners. This allows you to understand the equipment real-time operating status while contributing to energy savings and longer product life. If there is an abnormality, the system alerts you via email or social media application, and our remote emergency operation will reduce downtime and contribute to the stable operation of your business. Marutto delivers new value in air conditioning by combining collected and stored data with Daikin unique technologies. For confidence, convenience, and energy savings in system control and management, Marutto